আজ আমরা A for apple, B for banana শিখব। এইভাবে আমরা A থেকে Z পর্যন্ত শিখব। শুরু করি। A for apple, B for banana, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for frog, G for goat, H for hat, I for ice cream, J for jellyfish, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for net, O for octopus, P for peacock, Q for quail, R for rat, S for spider, T for tree, U for umbrella, V for violin, W for water, X for xylophone, Y for yak, Z for zebra,